Good morning, students. In this lecture, we discuss measures of dispersion. The term dispersion is generally used in two senses. Firstly, dispersion refers to the variation of the item among themselves. If the value of all the item of a series is the same, there will be no variation among the various items and the dispersion will be zero. On the other hand, the greater the variation among different items of a series, the more will be the dispersion. Secondly, dispersion refers to the variation of the item around an average. If the difference between the value of items and the average is large, the dispersion will be high, and on the other hand, if the difference between the value of the items and average is small, the dispersion will be low. Now we discuss methods of measuring dispersion. The following are the main methods of measuring dispersion. First is range, second is interquartile range and quartile range. Third is mean deviation, and fourth is standard deviation, and fifth is coefficient of variation, coefficient of variation, and last is Lorentz curve. First we discuss range method. It is the simplest measure of dispersion. It is defined as the difference between the largest and smallest value in the series, and its formula is range is equal to large minus small value. R की donate कार्या range no L largest value in the series, largest value in the series, and S is smallest value in the series. Now the relative measure of range, also called coefficient of range. Now coefficient of range is equal to large minus small over large plus small value. Now first we discuss how to find range in individual series. Individual series given है 20 x ले लो 20 35 25 30 and 15. Find range and coefficient of range. सब तो पहला लार्ज वैल्यू किया. Large value is 35. Largest value in the item in the series is 35 and smallest value is 15. Now range is equal to large minus small is equal to large value किया 35 minus smallest value किया 15 and range किया गया that is 20. Now coefficient of range is equal to large value minus small, large plus small value. 35 minus 15, 35 plus 15 is equal to 20 over 50, that is plus 0.40, that is coefficient of range is 0.40. Now next is in discrete series. Marks given are, marks is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Number of students 15, 18, 25, 30, 16, 10 and 9, that is x. Take a frequency. Now here large value केड़ी है x series with देखा, that is 70 and small value is 10. Now range large minus small is equal to 17 minus 10. Answer is 60. Therefore, coefficient of range large minus small value over large plus small is equal to 70 minus 60, 70 plus 60, 60 over 80 is equal to 3 over 4, that is 0.75. Coefficient of range is 0.75. Next is continuous series. Size given are 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Now frequency 4, 9, 15, 30 and 40. Here large value की आएगी the largest class, that is 30, and S is the lower limit of the smallest class, that is 5. Now range is equal to large minus small value, 30 minus 5, 25. Now coefficient of range is equal to large minus small, large plus small, 30 minus 5, 30 plus 5, 25 over 35 is equal to 5 over 7. And next example is marks given are 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59 and 60 to 69. Number of students 8, 12, 27 and 3. This is an inclusive series. एक inclusive series है. For the calculation of range, the series must be converted into exclusive series. As इसनों पहला सी exclusive series विच convert करेंगे. That is 19.5 to 29.5. इस दे विचों 0.5 माइनस करांगे, इस दे विच 0.5 प्लस कर देवांगे. इनक्लूसिव सीरीज नूं जदों एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज विच चेंज करते हैं 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5. Now frequency, that is number of students 8, 12, 27 and 3. Now here large value is 69.5, smallest value is 19.5. Therefore range is equal to large minus smallest value, that is 69.5 minus 19.5, that is 50. Now coefficient of range, large minus small, large plus small. 69.5 minus 19.5, 69.5 plus 19.5 is equal to 50 over 89 is equal to 0.569. That is the coefficient of range.